Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl one and only, cooking at home with Chef Mackenzie. Today we're going to be doing some fried dumpling and ackee and saltfish. This video was requested by Crystal. Crystal, if you're watching, I want you to make sure that you leave your comment in the box below. It means a lot, and I hope you enjoy this video. So today our main ingredients is the ackee and the saltfish. Our seasonings will be scallion, sweet pepper, or you known as bell pepper, tomato, hot pepper, onion, and some thyme. As you can see, I already removed the skin from the saltfish. So after boiling, you don't have to go through the trouble of scaling off anything. If you like to learn how to do this, you can visit my steamed cabbage and saltfish video, and you'll have a little briefing of how to do so. So now I'm gonna add my saltfish to my pot, and I'm going to be boiling the saltfish and the ackee in the same pot. What we're doing this is, after boiling the saltfish with the ackee, I don't have to use any more salt. I would just have to add a little black pepper to it because the saltfish already gives the ackee the salty flavor. So in the meantime, my ackee is cooking. I'm getting my flour together. So here I have my flour. So for the flour, I add half cup of flour, and I'm not cooking a lot because it's just me alone, and remember the baking powder is gonna swell it. I add baking powder, flour, salt, and butter to mine. I add the butter to give it a little bit more flavor and soft. I'm gonna go ahead and rub this in. Can't really show you because it's just one hand I have, and I can't use the phone and do it, but I'll show you the results after. You just want to rub in the butter like you're getting a crumble, and then after you add the water and start kneading. Here we have our results. You look a bit crumble because I got the butter all massaged in it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my water. So these videos, what I'm sending out is for everyone to enjoy. It doesn't matter where you live, no matter what you have, you can improvise and enjoy what you have in your kitchen and still create magic, right? My videos are not about perfection. It's about loving what you do and enjoying what you do while you do it. You have it, and you don't want to get the dough too hard, so you don't play with it too much. I've learned that the softer the dough is, it's the better for you. So I'm gonna put this one side for about 15 minutes so it could set. So these are my ingredients that I'll be using to cook my ackee. I would be using diced tomato, hot pepper, chopped thyme, julienne, sweet pepper or bell pepper, as you know, scallion and onions. And as you can see, my saltfish is ready. I didn't have any problem to scale it off because I already took off the skin, and my ackee is ready. You don't try to overcook your ackee. You cook it at a perfect pace so it doesn't break up when you start to cook it. So my pot is very hot. I'm gonna add some oil. I know a lot of people like the extra oil in the ackee, not me. Okay, so now I'm gonna start by adding my onions. And my scallion, and my thyme, hot pepper. You want to save the sweet pepper and the tomato for last because you don't want those to overcook, right? So I'm going to go ahead and stir that a bit. I want it to burn. And then I salt it. Sometimes I can't bother with the cooking video. I just go like this and try to flip it. That's cooked down, and I'm gonna add my piece. And then I'm gonna add my sweet pepper and my tomato. And I'm gonna add some black pepper. In order to prevent your ackee from breaking up, you can also flip this also. Let's try. See? And then you just go ahead and cover it. Alright, so in the meantime, my ackee is steaming down. I'm gonna start with my dumplings. You don't want to have a high flame underneath the pot because then the dumplings will burn. So you try to keep it on a low flame. So I came up on a few comments, maybe about 1 or 2, about me wearing nails while I'm cooking. So my channel is about cooking at home and enjoying what you're doing while you're doing it with Chef Mackenzie. My nails doesn't stop me from teaching you what you want to learn, right? It doesn't stop you at all. I'm at home, I'm not cooking for anyone, so it shouldn't be a bother to anyone. I'm cooking for myself. And if it's a part where you have to knead some flour, not everyone has to knead flour with their hands, right? You can get a spoon, and once the flour is in that form, then you use right here of your hand, right here, and you knead it in. You don't need to get your fingernails all messy when you're kneading flours. Not everyone cooks the same. I don't know about y'all, but I'm a chef. You might be a chef. You might want to all up yourself because they told you, oh, don't do this, don't do that. But it's quarantine. Why not have a little fun? So, if my page is a bother to you or my nails is a bother to you, you should evacuate right now. What I'm actually saying is cooking at home for yourself and cooking for people in a restaurant is two different things. You can't mix the two together. So that's that. Hope you guys continue to watch. Don't forget to click the notification bell when you subscribe. And remember, I love you guys. So my dough might not have rested as long as it should, but it's a good way to go. So I'm going to be rolling it out on my cutting board. Let's go. Here we have our ackee and saltfish. Looking lovely. Yum, yum, yum. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dumplings. So I like to use the palm of my hands and then I hold it in the center and then roll it like this. So it's kind of bouncing off the middle of my hand, see? First time doing fry dumpling at home for myself, and I have to say I'm proud of myself because it came out perfect. I'm proud because as you can see they're very soft and nice. See? Very soft. Ouch. I'm gonna break one so you can see it. Yeah, so everything is cooked on the inside is cooked. It's soft and it's soaked. That's how it is. So So guys, I know everyone asking for plating and they want to see me do the actual plating, but I have to be the producer and the chef at the same time. So bear with me, in due time I'll get to do it a little bit better. So yeah, my apologies.